Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the online classes. Let's start our today's lesson. I chose a grammar topic for today's lesson, that is similes and metaphors. Both similes and metaphors are figures of speech, and a figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal or surface definition. Both similes and metaphors are part of figurative language, which is used when a writer describes something using comparisons that go beyond literal meaning. The words mean more than what they say on the surface. The objects that are being compared are different in enough ways so that their similarities, when pointed out, are interesting, unique, and surprising. So let's begin with a definition of a simile. A simile is a comparison between two unlike things that have something in common. A simile always uses the words like or as to make a comparison. Here you can see many examples of similes. For example, as strong as an ox is a simile, and we use this simile to talk about a person having great strength. As light as a feather is another simile, and we say this when something weighs very little. Similarly, as quiet as a mouse is used for someone who is shy and untalkative. As quick as a flash is one more simile that is used when something moves fast or someone does something quickly. Then, as dry as a bone is also another simile to say that something is very or totally dry. Here you can see some more like similes for comparison. Their meaning is also written in front of them. Now let's discuss what is a metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech comparing two unlike things that have something in common, but the comparison is made without the use of like or as. And here again you can see some examples of metaphors. You can clearly see that comparison is made without using the words as or like. For example, she is an angel means that she is very nice. My hands are ice means my hands feel very cold. Her eyes were diamonds means her eyes were beautiful. The shark's teeth are daggers means the shark's teeth are sharp. The stars were a blanket over the earth means the stars filled the night sky above the earth. These more examples of metaphors will show you that their meaning is totally different from the literal meaning. So, after discussing both similes and metaphors, we can say that similes are like metaphors, but metaphors aren't similes. A metaphor makes a comparison by stating that one thing is something else, but a simile states that one thing is like something else. So, I hope that your concept about similes and metaphors is clear now. And here is your home task. You have to solve exercise A and C, page number 79 of your textbook. And you have to do the homework on textbook and upload it. Here you can see the image of the textbook page that you have to do as homework. So, good luck. Thank you.